What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Gonna go over our friend Matic as well as Ethereum. So currently we're sitting at 73 cents, down 0.23 on the day. See a market cap of 6.88 billion, 24-hour volume, 310 million. So let's hop into the charts. So we pushed up in the wave 5, the alternative wave 5. I do think pullback is near. We have bearish divergence on the 1 hour chart. Of course, anything can happen, so we're waiting for the pullback in the wave 2 to enter our next position. A signal will be given in the Discord for only 10 USD per month. We're also in a Forex trade right now. We almost hit our first take profit. I also give signals for those in the Discord as well. So looking at the daily chart for Matic, we're right at that resistance of the 55 EMA as well as the top of the wedge. So it would make sense to pull back from here. Of course, anything can happen. We can break to the upside. You have a bit of a bearish divergence on the one day money flow. So that's something to watch. And Ethereum is putting in our right shoulder that we're looking for in an ABC. It can drop from here. We have a double top, and then you have resistance 914 to 936, but we may just drop from here. We'll have to see how that plays out. And once we come down to our target zone, we look to enter our next trade, and a signal will be given in the Discord for that as well. All right, gang, so that's what we're looking at. As I mentioned, my signals are 10 bucks a month. We're crushing it right now on AUD USD, which is a Forex pair, just about to hit our first take profit. So my signals for crypto as well as daily analysis, crypto news, member profits, all place Forex signals as well, 10 bucks a month. Over 2,000 members in the Discord. Basic access to the Discord is free. And make sure to sign up to one of the exchanges, grab those bonuses, email me your sign up email, and you get a special bonus with that as well. All right, gang, much love. Smash the like button. Take care.